Canary Wharf, the banking and investment capital of Europe in the heart of London. On the east side of the capital and bounded by the mighty River Thames, its iconic 21st century skyline offers spectacular views across what is arguably the world's most dynamic, prosperous and exciting super city. Rising from the ruins of former Docklands, this city within a city today contains around 14 million square feet of unique office, retail and commercial space. Home to a who's who of global corporations, including Barclays, HSBC, Credit Suisse and JP Morgan. These companies collectively employ over 100,000 highly skilled workers. Canary Wharf also offers over 300 exclusive shops, cafes, bars, restaurants, movie, music, dance and theatre venues. And the excellent transport links, including air, rail, road, bus and even boat and cable car access, make it easy to get in and out of the area. London City Airport is just 3 miles away, and it's less than 15 minutes by public transport. They offer 32 destinations in Europe, as well as business and first-class flights to New York's JFK, and they also facilitate private jets. London's major international airports, Heathrow, Gatwick and Stansted, are less than an hour away by rail. Already served by the Docklands Light Railway, National Rail's Thameslink and the London Underground's Jubilee Line. Together, these transport links help whisk commuters in and out of the city, around the UK and across the world with ease. But that's not all. With London's new high-speed rail network Crossrail, due to be completed by 2018, travellers will enjoy a direct connection between all of London's main employment centres. The largest infrastructure project in Europe, the £17 billion railroad will serve 40 stations, carry 200 million passengers a year and will cut journey times across the city in half. Canary Wharf to Heathrow Airport will take 39 minutes and Tottenham Court Road in the centre of London will be just 11 minutes. Significantly, the new rail network has already increased property values in some areas along its route by as much as 40%. Closed in 1980, Canary Wharf was once part of the busiest port in the world. After a decade of disuse and decline, an inspired regeneration project transformed the area into what is now a prime location for businesses, tourists and residents. With property prices doubling over the past 10 years, Canary Wharf can now proudly boast to have established itself as arguably the most sought-after commercial and residential space in the world. And it is still expanding. Championed by the UK government and spearheaded by private developers, the regeneration of the neighbouring Wood Wharf has been designed to complement and enhance the Canary Wharf environs. Developers envisage a brand new urban quarter that will see a mix of high-tech and new media firms alongside future residents. Phase 1 is due to be complete in 2018 and will include new offices, homes, hotels, shops, restaurants and bars and cafes, and will be a destination of choice enjoyed by tens of thousands of new tourists, workers and residents alike. With major developments like Wood Wharf and Crossrail, the future looks positive for investors in the London property market. According to PropertyWire.com, annual price growth in Canary Wharf was 14.4% last year alone, with a forecast of 15 to 20%. And with the rental market in the capital as strong as ever, corporate clients from China, the Middle East, Europe and the Americas have already chosen to make Canary Wharf its European headquarters. With home offices on the east and west side of the UK's capital, one in Nine Elms and the other in Canary Wharf itself, Henry Wiltshire International is perfectly situated to accommodate, advise and manage your London property portfolio. And with offices in Hong Kong, Singapore and Abu Dhabi, we are positioned to serve and offer investors worldwide easy access to this lucrative market. Our sales, lettings and management team are ready and able to ensure that our clients' investments are proactively managed to yield optimum returns and their properties are maintained to the highest possible standard. We at Henry Wiltshire International are very proud to offer investors a unique opportunity to profit from arguably the most proven property markets in the world today. Canary Wharf, London, England.